The next part wants us to rewrite each expression with rational exponents, and then simplify if possible. So the square root of 13, I can rewrite that with a rational exponent if I write it as 13 to the 1/2 power. So saying the square root of 13 and saying 13 to the 1/2 power, they mean the same thing, they're just two different forms of expressing it. So the fifth root of 13x, I can write that as 13x to the 1/5 power. Now I do want to put parentheses around it. If you don't put parentheses around it, you have to make sure that you apply the 1/5 to both of them. So a common wrong answer would be to put 13x to the 1/5, and that is wrong because there's actually an implied 1 that goes with the 13, and we don't want that. We want the 1/5 to apply to both of them. So either explicitly apply it to both of them or put a parentheses.